I want y'all to look at this bike that we just got. This is the Lectric. Now this is the step-through version, so you can easily step on it, but this is a fully electric bike. I'm going to show you some things about it. Hopefully that comes out. As you see, as speed is 0. You got the energy bar at top. You got what's called, let me see if I can do it. See where it says PA, see the numbers I'm going up, PAS 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's pedal assist. So when you're pedaling, like if you put it at 0, that means you got all of the pedaling, all of the movement is coming from you pedaling. You put it at 1, no matter what you do, the bike is going to be going, I think, at least 7 miles an hour or something like that. 2 is like 13, 3 is 15, and 4 and 5 are both 20. Now, the thing is, the bike can be unlocked pretty easy, and it'll go up to 28 miles an hour. But I'm not going to unlock it right now. I just got it, and 20 miles an hour is pretty fast. But what I want to see if I can do, riding with one hand, which may not be the safest thing to do, but I don't have my phone mount on the bike yet. But I'm gonna let you see how fast this motherfucker go. And this is me at 300 plus pounds. So hang on a second. I'm actually pushing up the kickstand, so the camera is going to go away from the bike. All right, so I'm moving. Now this bike also has, now I got it on, let me take it off of pedal. Now I'm on pedal assist 1, and you see I'm doing 10 miles an hour. Now also too, you don't have to pedal. This bike also has just straight up throttle. So if I roll a throttle, whoo, shit. As you can see, now I'm not pedaling at all. That's just me, the bike doing it by itself. Now that's 19. I don't know if you can even hear me because it's pretty windy, but that's 20 miles an hour without me pedaling at all. 300 pounds, no pedaling at all. Now, I'm gonna let go of the throttle. The throttle is over here by if you see my thumb, you just roll that, and that's the throttle. So, anyway, wanted to let you guys see this. Just got this electric bike. There's a whole lot of features on it, like cruise control. It's got lights you can turn on and off. I mean, it's got a whole lot of shit on it. So, holla at me.